Okay, good day everyone. So this is about our lesson today is no I mean what I'm going to show you is our program that is about a exchange sort algorithm. So so this is our sorting algorithm, which is exchange sort, also known as bubble sort. So the simple definition of this is it compares the first element with each following element of the array. And kapag yung condition natin is hindi nasunod, ang mangyayari is isaswap natin sila. So now let's proceed with our program. So ito ang need kong i-show sa inyo. So this is our program. This is about the exchange sort. And this is about a so basahin muna natin yung problem. So ang problem namin dito na ginawa, this is a real life sorting example and about a sorting books in a library. So let's assume that a librarian is tasked with organizing a shelf of books in ascending order based on their heights, and the goal is to use the exchange sort method to efficiently reorder the books. So ayan. So ang gagawin ng program is isa-sort natin yung books ascendingly, and syempre with that ma-organize natin. So, dito sa program natin, the initial unsorted list of books is already given in our program, which is, halimbawa, ang title natin is yung book 1 and ang height niya is 30. The book 2, ang height is 25. So, hindi pa siya pasunod-sunod. So, ang ano natin dito is 30, 25, 35, 20, and 40. So, ayan. And then, let's proceed in running the program. So, madali lang ito. And I'm going to explain to you a bit clearly. So, ayan. So, napakadali ng program natin. And so, this one is the initial unsorted list of books. So, ang pasunod-sunod niya is book 1, book 2, book 3, book 4, and book 5. Which is, yung book 1 natin is 30, and height natin is 25, and 35, then 20, and up to 40. And another one is, pagdating naman sa sorted list, so ang nangyari, this is the result na nangyari, is, which is 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. So, dito sa ano ko, sa terminal, hindi nakikita yung time, yung running time nitong program natin. So, hindi ko siya nakikita, hindi ko alam kung paano. However, sa report namin, nandoon kung ilan yung time. And it may vary, maybe because of pwedeng sa operating system kasi unang-una is kakaunti lang naman yung data natin na nilagay. So, 5 lang naman to. However, so this one is the result. So ayan na, sort na siya. So, ang nauna is book 4, which is 20. Then, next is book 2, 25, and so on. So now, I'll explain to you kung ano nangyari sa algorithm natin. Paano nga ba nag-work ang exchange sort algorithm? So, I'll show you this one. So, this one is from Canva. And then, I'll present to you this one. So, this one is the unsorted books. So, this one is the unsorted books pa. From 30 to 40, 30, 25, 35, 20, and 40. So, ang unang gagawin ng exchange sort algorithm is i-check niya yung sa first element, which is magko-compare yan. I-compare niya yung dalawa, yung 30 and 25, and nalimutan ko sabihin, to be clear, this one is our first iteration, the first iteration with our algorithm. So, una, i-check niya, or let's say, i-compare niya itong dalawang to, 30 and 25. So, alin ba dyan ang alin dyan, ang mangyayari niyan is, i-check niya kung kapag mas mataas yung 30, edi magpapalit yung dalawa, mag-swap sila. So, ayan, mataas, di ba, mas mataas kasi, so, nilagyan ko siya ng red, so that kapag nag-red siya, ang ibig sabihin is kailangan mag-swap kasi hindi kasi ang kapag nag-red, ibig sabihin mas mataas yung 30, so kailangan nila mag-swap, ganun. Or pwedeng hindi na-meet yung condition, so mamaya babalikan ko yung sa code kung paano ba yun. So ang next natin dito is 25. So magbabago yan, so nag-swap na sila 25 and 30. So ayan, okay na. Then next one is comparison ulit pagdating sa 30 and 35. So this one is the next. So same lang yung mangyayari, 30 and 35. And kapag nag-blue siya, that means na okay na yung dalawa. Walang swap na mangyayari. So, walang swap na nangyari. Then, we proceed. 35 and 20. So, ayan. 35 and 20 is nag-red sila. It means mag-swap yan kasi yung 35 is mas malaki sa 20. 35 is greater than 20. So, mag-swap sila. And then, ayun. 35 is great. 35. Nag-swap na sila. Then, next is 35 and 40. So, 35 is less than 40. Is not greater than 40. So, okay na yan. Alright. So, next is, tapos na tayo sa first iteration natin. Let's move on with the second iteration. The second iteration, same lang yung nangyari kanina. 25 and 30. And then, okay na silang dalawa. Next is 30 and 20. Hindi pa din okay. So, magre-red yan, 30 and 20. 30 is greater than 30 and greater than 30 and 20 is 30 is greater than 20. So, ayan, okay na yan. Basta, I don't remember kung ano yung nasa code. Basta, meron yan condition dyan. It's either pwedeng 30 and 20 is, ang condition is magsaswap sila kapag 20, kapag sinabi natin 30 is less than 20, if true, or 30 is greater than 20, if true, magsaswap sila. Or pwede din na 30 is less than 20, and kung mag-true, or kung mag-false, is walang mangyayari. Basta ganun, may condition yan. So, let's proceed. So, ayan, nag-swap na ulit sila. So, as you can see, nagbabago yung value natin. And then, another one, comparison ulit. Then, okay, walang And then, another one, 35 and 40, which I think is already okay naman Yung ibang mga presentation nito is, hindi na nila nilalagay ito. Parang nag-green na yan. However, nilagay ko pa din na na ganyan. Kasi pagdating sa program, still, ganito yung nangyayari. Chine-check na talaga lahat. So, ayan, okay na. Then, ayan, i-compute natin ulit yan kung okay na ba or hindi pa. So, let's compare ulit. So, 25 and 20. So, I guess hindi siya okay. And then, ayan, magpapalit ulit. Then, 25 and 30 naman. Another one, okay na. Then, 30 and 35, okay na. And 35 and 40, okay na din. So, wala nang swap na nangyari. Tatlo ang nagawa natin dito walang swap. So, ayan. So, this one is the pang ilan na ba to? Pang third or pang fourth? So, ayan. I guess pang fourth na yata. Ay, no. Pang third. This one is, pang fourth. So, this one is 20 and 25 again. Ang mangyari is ganyan, compare, then okay na, compare ulit, okay na din, compare ulit, okay na, then compare ulit, okay na. Then ox na. So wala na yan kasunod. So that will end this discussion. So ganun lang yung nangyari. And another pala, gumawa din kami ng isa pang code which is, so let's check our code pala muna. So, so ano nangyayari pala dito is, halimbawa yung una is greater than, so swap if the height of a book is greater than the next one. So kapag yung, so kanina pala, so yung sinasabi ko kanina na condition, ang condition natin na nilagay dun is swap if the height of a book is greater than the next one. So, yung una, kapag mas mataas yung una, so balikan natin, halimbawa, halimbawa ito, halimbawa, wait lang, hanap tayo. Halimbawa ganyan. Halimbawa, 25 is greater than 20. Kapag greater than siya, magsaswap sila. So, ganun lang yung code natin. That's the condition. And then, moving on with another code namin, which is the selection sort. So, this is another type of sort algorithm then, and which is nagsaselect. So, hindi ko na to i-explain. Well, siguro ang differentiation na lang nila is pagdating sa ang tawag dyan, sa results. So, ang time complexity ng bubble sort is O and N squared. O N squared. Big O of N squared. And then, so walang nakalagay. And pagdating naman, wait lang, selection sort. Pagdating naman sa selection sort, kung ito is, pagdating sa selection sort, ang big O notation niya is N squared then, and ganyan. And then, dito nakalagay din dito. So, this one is based from our previous run. So, ewan ko kung anong terminal doon ginamit. Tapos, meron siyang time, running time, which is yung exchange sort natin is takes 0.57 seconds, while yung selection sort is 0.782 seconds, which proves that mas madali yung sa exchange sort kaysa sa selection sort. Well, however, dahil maliit lang naman yung data natin, somehow, pwede siyang magbago. Nagbabago kasi some running time is nagbabago yung running time nila. Which is test. Bubble. So, However, pagdating naman sa as we've research, mas madali talaga pala yung selection sort kesa sa bubble sort. Pero may vary pa din. Depende sa worst cases kung sakali. Kasi may worst case and best case naman tong dalawa. So, ayan. Naran ko na ba pala yun? So, naran ko na yata to. Ay, hindi ko pala naran. So, iran natin. So, same lang naman yan. Same lang yung nangyari. However, different algorithm, different formula ang ginamit natin sa selection set. So, I guess that's it. So, thank you for listening.